Hello, my name is Haley Ashcroft. I'll be arguing that news is not objective. If we look at the word objectivity, there are many different definitions for that word, and they vary depending on the source that you use. But one definition of objectivity is neutrality. But reporters are bound by human nature, which in and of itself is not neutral. Human nature is driven by interpretations, feelings, and imaginations. So if a reporter creates a story about a news event, they are inevitably subject to biased human nature. Secondly, another definition of objectivity is having an even representation of both sides of an argument, which implies that there are only two. But if the news has to cover more complex issues, how can it be objective and cover only two sides if the issue or event that they are talking about has many sides and many different perspectives and arguments? Lastly, the demands of entertainment have blurred objectivity. There's another definition for this word, and it can also mean neutrality, as we've talked about, but also disengagement and fair-mindedness. But because the press is forced to entertain, they also push their reporters to be investigative and impactful and have an edge. So the press's awkward embrace with an impossible ideal of objectivity is due to the blurring lines between entertainment and news. And here are the sources that I used. This last one here is an excellent article for those of you who want to read it. Thank you for watching.